Hello students, welcome to Young Cups. Children, in my last video, there was a minor error while I was doing the sixth sum. So right now, I will resolve the sixth sum and proceed further with our other sums. Remember, they keep getting difficult, they keep going a level higher. Let's go to the next sum. 2p squared 8p cubed minus 4p squared. So 2p square multiplied by 4, 4 2s are 8. Multiply this p with the p square, the index add up and it makes it p cube. So I have multiplied my 2p square with 4p. Gives me 8p cube minus, for the division, eliminated 0. Bring this down. Now 2p square multiplied by 2 gives me 2 2s are 4. P square, I don't need to multiply it with anything simply because I have my p square. I have the same degree. So here, if I multiply it with 2, I get 4p square. If I get a 4p square, I will have to add the division sign and then I get an 8p square. No, and then as I told you, as far as possible, I will have to make sure that my remainder is a 0. So I will multiply my 2p square by a minus 2. Alright, so 2 into 2, 4, rather minus 4, and the p square follows. And then this has another subtraction sign for the division. This becomes plus 4p. Above we have minus 4p square. Cancel, eliminate, and the remainder is 0. So quotient is equal to 4p minus 2. Remainder is 0. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, we have a trinomial out here. 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. With the monomial 2y square. So 2y square into y definitely, so that I get a y cube, and I just need the same number, so I'll multiply it by 1. Either I add a 1 or no, doesn't make a difference. So this is what I multiplied it with. So I multiplied it with just y. So I put my minus sign of the division, 2y cube, eliminated, 0, bring down the next one. I have a y square out here. I need not add another variable, another y out here. So 2y square into simply 2 gives me 4y square. Correct? So I have to multiply it by 2. Plus 2. I multiplied it by plus 2 and not a negative. And I get my y 4y square, negative sign of the division, eliminated, 0, bring this down, which is plus 3. Alright, now children, please tell me, does 3 come in 2's table? No, it doesn't. Alright, so this 2y square, I have to multiply with a 0, which gives me a 0. So 2y square plus 0 gives me a 0 here. So technically, if you don't write the 0 on top, it's okay. because there's no plus 0. If you're not adding up anything, so why put anything out there? So now my quotient is equal to 5 plus 2 and my remainder is a 3 out here. That's my remainder. So here I couldn't make my remainder a 0. Let's move on to the next one. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x. And here divided by 7x cube. So 7x cube into 3 will give me 21x cube. So I'll put another x out here. Hence it will give me an x raised to 4. So this is what I've multiplied my divisor with, which is 3x. I get my answer as 21x raised to 4. This is what I've copied. Subtraction sign, eliminated. Bring down minus 14x square. So now again 7x cube into 2. Yeah. What do I do now? I don't have, if I simply multiply, it becomes 14x cube and I wanted x square. What do I do now? So nothing happens. Okay, all I have to do out here is nothing can be worked out here. So it's just going to be 3x and 14x square, and this 7x square remain unattended, and hence they become the remainder in this sum. So my quotient is 3x, my remainder is minus 14x square plus 7x. Hope you've understood a bit about how we are going about with division of polynomials. That's all for today, students. Thank you and God bless.